Want to make popcorn where every kernel pops? I'll show you how. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today we are making this super easy, fast, and fun crochet popcorn. Yes, you heard me right. It is crochet. Can you believe it? So fun, so fast, so easy. And I'll show you how to do it. To make your perfect popcorn, you're going to need yarn. I'm using size 4 worsted weight acrylic, just whatever colors or scraps you have at home. You need about this much. This is a small kernel or a small popcorn, and this is a larger popcorn. It is around 2 yards or a little less than 2 meters per popcorn. I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook, and you'll also need a pair of scissors. If you'd like to follow along with a written pattern, all of my patterns are available on my website, secretyarnery.com, and all of my patterns are written in plain English, just like I was sitting there right beside you. To make your popcorn, we're going to start by making a magic ring. So just follow along these easy steps so that you can also make a magic ring. If you did a chain 3 ring, it's also possible, but you'd really have to sew it closed a lot later, and it wouldn't have that really tight, cinched in center. So really try to just follow along with a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold that tail over your non-dominant hand and just pinch it down on your ring finger with your thumb. Wrap it around your 2 fingers, making an X, and bring it underneath your thumb as well, so around all 3 fingers. Turn your hand over and you will have a short strand and a long strand. Grab your crochet hook, hook side facing down, and slide it underneath the short strand and on top of the long strand. Drag the long strand under and point the hook towards yourself, right up on the fat part of that hook. Release your thumb a little bit so that long strand can slide, and turn the hook away from yourself underneath the long strand so you can bring it through that loop on your hook. You can also pinch everything that's underneath your hook and then slide your hook through. Let go of everything, and there is your magic ring. So now we're going to start with a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to work into the side of that chain. We're going to go in right there, just underneath that 1 loop. And we're going to slip stitch. So not into the ring, just into the first chain we made. 1 slip stitch. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to go into the ring and under our tail. So we want to be working around that tail. So slip stitch into the ring and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when we chain 4, we're going to go into the side. We're not going into the ring. So chain 4 and into the side, slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to slip stitch into the ring. So when we chain 3, we go into the ring, making sure we go over that tail. And when we do 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we work into that first chain. So 4 into the side, 3, so chain 3, into the ring. So that's all we're doing. We're just going to repeat that. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the side. 3 into the ring. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the ring. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into the side. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the ring. So we want to do that a total of 5 or 6 times. 5 is a small popcorn, and 6 is a larger popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a small popcorn. I'll show you how to do the large one. So chain 4 and then slip stitch into the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into the side. and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the ring. And chain 1, because now we are finished. So if you lay that out, you can count the bigger lumps as 1. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is 6 lumps or 6 bumps. We can go ahead and cut your yarn. We don't need a long tail. We're just going to knot it and cut it off. So just maybe like 2 inches or 1.5 inches. Pull your hook up and your yarn through. Snug that one down. And now we want to grab our center tail, our magic ring tail, and really give that a big pull. Pull, pull, pull. Now we're going to knot both of these tails. 1 and 2. And now we can just cut them off. Just like that. How quick and easy. Now sometimes your popcorn might look flat, like a little circle. Just kind of scrunch it up, give it a little twist, give it a little massage, and it will turn into a popcorn shape right before your eyes. So you can make as many as you like in as many different shades as you like. This is the cream color, the white, and the yellow. So whichever color combination you like, or however you like your popcorn. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm waiting for you in that video up there, and stay hooked.